Hello everyone. Today we will talk about water and its features and positive and also negative consequences for our life. Surely everyone is aware of benefits of drinking water because we are surrounded every day with advertisements in television, billboards, radio and all sorts of media. They convince us to drink water. We are aware of the fact that water is part of our body and more than 50% we consist of water, but I think that not every one of us is aware of the fact that not every water is suitable for drinking, and actually drinking some of water may cause more harmful effects for our body than any positive effects. Drinking water from plastic bottles causes a lot of negative effects to our body. Why? First of all, they contain xenoestrogens, which cause hormones dysfunctions both in men and women. Going further, they lead to infertility, which rate is really high nowadays. For men, xenoestrogens decrease level of testosterone, and that's why it also leads to infertility. Some type of cancers are also caused by xenoestrogens. Many people are also obese because of hormones disabilities, and as xenoestrogens lead to hormone dysfunctions, it's also the cause of increasing percent of people that are obese. For women, also such diseases as PCOS or endometriosis are also caused by chemical substances from water. There are also two substances probably well known among all people, bisphenol A and B. Everyone knows it's harmful, but it's also inside plastic bottles. Chemical substances from plastic bottles are also a reason for asthma among kids. And in water from plastic bottle we can also find antimony, which causes heart disabilities. If the bottle with plastic bottle with water is exposed to the sun and is wrongly stored, the amount of chemical substances inside is growing, and they surely contain acetaldehyde. After exposition to sun, plastic bottle exposition to sun, we are surely not drinking healthy water, but toxic liquid instead. Water also contains harmful solvents that are left in plastic bottles after the process of clearing bottles. Unfortunately, in plastic bottles we can also find some parasites, and they surely don't have any positive effects on our lives. So yes, water is really essential product for our life, but it needs to be pure and not chemically contaminated water that causes us to glow at night. You may also ask what type of water to drink to avoid plastic. There are a few options that I will explain you in some other video, but it will be probably for you enough at the beginning to replace just plastic bottles with water from glass bottles. They are surely much healthier. And maybe if you suffer from some disease and nobody helps any methods to cure your health, you should maybe try to avoid plastic bottles, and maybe your health condition will improve. And as the topic of water is really wide and huge, it's not possible to talk about everything at once. We will divide this topic into many small episodes, and that's why it's all for today. Thanks for watching, and try to avoid plastic, and maybe your health and general health condition will much improve.